In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a verification system on Discord using a security bot. If this video helps you, consider subscribing to the channel to support it. First, open your Discord server. Then, click on the server name and go to App Directory. In the search bar, type Security. The first result will be the bot we need. Click on it, then click Add App. Next, choose the server where you want to add the bot and click Continue. After that, authorize the bot by clicking Authorize. Complete the CAPTCHA if prompted, and then return to your server. You'll see that the security bot has been successfully added. Now, let's enable the verification system. In the message input bar, type /verification enable and press Enter. Then type /verification setup channel and press Enter. This command will automatically create a verification channel in your server. Next, you need to choose the type of verification your server will use. To do this, type /verification type and select one of the available options, web captcha, capture code, or one-click verification. In this example, I'll choose one-click verification and press Enter. Now, we need to create a role for users who successfully complete the verification process. This will help us separate verified members from unverified ones. To do this, click on the server name, go to Server Settings, and then click Roles in the left side menu. You'll notice that a role for unverified users has already been created automatically. Now, let's create a new role for verified members. You can name this role anything you want, such as Members or Verified. In my case, I'll name it Members and choose the color green. Set the permissions however you like, and once everything is configured, click Save Changes. Now, we'll enter the final command. Type /verification set verified role. Click on Role and select the role that verified users should receive. In my case, I'll select the Members role and press Enter. That's it. Now, when someone joins your server, they will be required to complete the verification process. In this example, it's a one-click verification, but you can choose a different verification method if you prefer. Once verified, the user will receive the Members role and gain access to all the server channels. To clearly separate verified and unverified users, make sure unverified members do not have access to any channels, while verified members have access to all of them. And that's how you create a verification system on Discord. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you next time!